Hello, dear friends. Many times we have some questions in our minds like who is the physician of God? Who is the first surgeon? Who is hailed as the god of medicine by practitioners of Ayurveda? From where does the nectar come from? Who is Lord Dhanvantari? Why he has importance in Ayurveda? Why the Dhanteras is so auspicious? So, today we have answers to all these questions. Lord Dhanvantari. Lord Dhanvantari is the Hindu god of medicine. Lord Dhanvantari is considered as the god of Ayurveda. He is not only physician but also the great surgeon. We praise him in our prayers. Patho nidhe samudayan navachandra ramyaha piyushapurna kalasham kalayan karena सर्वामय प्रशमनो नमतां विदध्यात् धन्वन्तरिर्हरिरशेष पुमर्थसिद्धिं रागादिरोगान् सततानुशक्तान् अशेषकायप्रसृतान् अशेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहाद्रतिदान् जघान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै. I extend my wishes to God Dhanvantari, who is worshipped by gods and demons even. Lord Dhanvantari, he destroys aging, diseases, fear of death. He nourishes the world. He possesses knowledge about various medicines. It is written in the scriptures that one who remembers the name of Lord Dhanvantari is released from all diseases. We should know meaning of word Dhanvantari. The word Dhanvan means desert. Dhanvanchara meaning he who moves in a desert. Thus, Dhanvantari, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, is like oasis in the desert of worldly existence. This is birth story of Lord Dhanvantari. Bhagavata Purana states that Lord Dhanvantari is emerged during the great churning of cosmic ocean of milk, the Samudra Manthana. This famous mythological episode represents the spiritual endeavor of a person to achieve self-realization through concentration of mind, withdrawal of the senses, control of all desires and austerities. The ocean was being churned by gods and demons. They used mountain Mandar as the rod and Vasuki the serpent as the cord. As the churning continued, many divine objects and beings emerged from the ocean. One of them is Lord Dhanvantari. He was young, strongly built. His chest was very broad. His complexion was bluish black. He had strong arms, reddish eyes, and moved like a lion. He was clad in bright yellow. His curly hair was anointed with oil. He wore shining earrings made of pearls. As he was emerged, he was holding conch, leech, the chakra. Chakra is one of the divine weapons of Lord Vishnu, and of course the long sought pot of ambrosia, that is Amrita or divine nectar. The instruments in his arms are conch. It is well known as Shankha. Chakra. Chakra is discus or wheel. Jalauka. Jalauka is nothing but the leech. It is useful in the bloodletting treatment. Bloodletting means removal of dirty, impure blood from body. Amrita Kalash. Amrita means ambrosia. Kalash means pot. Pot full of ambrosia or divine nectar. Lord Dhanvantari is worshipped all over India as the god of medicine. To be very precise, god of Indian system of medicine. Dhanateras is also known as Dhanatrayodashi, which falls 2 days before Diwali. Diwali, the festival of lights. So Dhanateras is celebrated every year as Lord Dhanvantari's birthday. Recently, the Indian Ministry of Ayush, Ayush means A for Ayurveda, Y for Yoga, U for Unani, S for Siddha, and H for Homeopathy. So, Ministry of Ayush announced Dhanateras as the National Ayurveda Day, which was initiated on October 28, 2016. So, dear friends, wishing you a healthy and long life. Till then, keep chanting Om Shri Dhanvantaraye Namaha. Om Shri Dhanvantaraye Namaha. Om Shri Dhanvantaraye Namaha. So, friends, if you like the video, please like it, comment, share the video to your beloved ones, and please don't forget to subscribe. It will encourage me to do more for you. Thank you.